losing control. I'm gonna explode. Can you bring it back to me, me, me? Bring it back to me, me, me. Bring it back to me, me, me. Bring it back to me.
We're coming into Hammertown finally. Definitely a lot more built up than it used to be, especially with this bar and there's a freaking Ferris wheel out in the distance out there. It's totally changed. Anyways, we're gonna go into media check-in and see what's up. Where are we going, Kelly?
Right back door.
Hey, asshole! Martin, and it's long cruiser, just cruising. Oh no! I got booped.
You got boobs.
Coming up on the crew right now for the crew up today. It is Thursday morning, the 1st. And we got a lot more out, so looking forward to this.
I've done a lot of work with Ollie in the past. He's been a huge Tread Lightly advocate, and honestly, I wouldn't have the reach that I have without him.
Oh, shut up.
So, thank you for helping organize this industry day cleanup, and thank you for all coming out to it.
Hey, Fox is here.
Yay.
Woo!
One guy from Fox.
Oh, hey, we'll take anyone. Yeah. Just finished at Chocolate Thunder. I mean, it's a lot cleaner than years past, so people are really taking advantage of all the extra trash bags that are left out there, which is awesome. So we picked up, we filled up the UTV. We're here, and you can see, you know, we got it full. Now we're gonna go over to the back door and handle some shit. Caught up with Bryce, heading into Hammertown to go check that out.
I want to leave it at 7.
Oh, okay.
The plan was to leave at 3 a.m. I woke up to the rain and said, nah, forget it.
You're like, fuck this.
Exactly.
I'm staying in.
With the extra sleep,
Exactly.
deal with the rain.
I had a great sleep last night, by the way.
Did you?
Yeah.
All
How'd you
your
do?
windows were up. You didn't get the dust storm.
Oh, yeah, you were.
Every time you touch your face, it's like exfoliating.
We're at the Olaf experience here. There's Nick. There's Steve.
We call it Olaf.
Overland as fuck, bro. Luke. What's up, Looky Dookie? How you doing, buddy? Overland is friends.
How you doing?
What's up, man?
Your Subi looks dope, bro.
That old thing?
That rack sucks, though. Who made that thing?
Dude, some hack. You gotta be so difficult. We're just trying to crush a fucking can. It doesn't work well. This is what is it? Garbage. Megan, what are you doing, dude? Stoked?
I'm stoked.
Stoked.
Yeah. I'm excited. I'm nervous. I'm excited. I've got so much adrenaline now. I don't know how I'm gonna sleep tonight.
You know, if we have a good day, we're going to make top contenders in our class. Also have to have
What you doing, Nick?
We are doing some final prep on the Atterbury Motorsports Bronco for the 4600 race tomorrow. So,
Recovering from a little hiccup.
yeah, there was a fitting failure on the main fuel line that heads into the high pressure pump. Dumped about 3 gallons of fuel into the skid plates. And then once it ignited, it was like a mini explosion. You can see the port stuff in here.
So let me ask this. Yeah. Electrical engineering, software design. How you doing? Wes, let's go.
Fucking shit is everywhere out here. No matter how far you go, you guys can see how far up the hill I am on Chocolate Thunder out here. So Kelly wants to go this back way from the top of Chocolate Thunder down to where some people are spectating at. And
I don't like going left right here. I'm gonna go that way.
what do you mean left? It's straight ahead right there. Kelly, I'm gonna meet you down there. Look at the shot this dude has with his Jeep right here. Just found. I found Jeff.
Happening, brother?
What's up, dude?
Found Jeff.
Of all places.
You're right
Here.
by the shitters.
Glad to see you, bud.
So fun. Just so happy to be here. First timer, you know.
Is this your first time there?
Yeah.
You know, we talk about cleaning shit up, but seriously, you're gonna put your fucking pear in the pisser, you stupid son of a... Found another Subi, buddy. Hey, look, it's another Subaru. We're heading back to Hammers. It's been a great day on Friday. Got to see Megan and Derek. did their run up Chocolate Thunder. Super clean, super smooth. Got some photos. Battery died on the main camera. Super bummed about that. But I got a couple off. But I was just glad to be there when they got to that point. So I'm really excited to see how they do and how it goes. And I'm really hoping for a podium for them. I think they can do it. So you still got to finish, dude. Fuck yeah, guys.
Did I forget you guys, or I remember you guys?
No, you did. You got it. Fucking right. Thank you very much.
We have it written down.
Letterkenny's the greatest show ever.
Like, we check it.
The only thing that's going to make that winch any better is if when I run
Okay. So we're out here at the finish, right on course about, and just waiting for Derek, the Berries to come through. A couple teams I've been following that I care about, and it's been such a great time just hanging out here and experiencing King of the Hammers in the rightest, best ways possible. There goes Amber.
right after you guys left the pits, they came and helped you.
I won't do it. I won't drive on stage if it wasn't for this time.
So that's it.
Hey, let's go to Camp Drinker. It's still fun though.
That's JD. JD, that's Derek. You guys should be friends.
Hi, Derek.
Derek, JD. Hey, that's JD.
And that like last little like pit rock coming out of fucking Highway 90.
All right, so what are we doing? We're drinking? We're gonna drink beer. I'm glad you came back and you finished on all four.
I'm glad we got the front diff done long.
Oh, is that what happened?
It freaking locked up so. Somehow you don't disassemble your door.
Dude, we got done after Tito, and I went to jump in the car, and my mom had a key. I went to jump in the car and I opened the door, the entire door just fucking fell off. And I was like,
We did get our side-by-side up.
Oh, you're just talking in general about side-by-sides.
Yeah, no, our razor, when we were in the desert, we got a little rusty, like, that motherfucker was up on one wheel.
Like at the limit of rolling over, but I'm very uncomfortable.
you can't roll if you lean against the rock.
So how'd you feel about today's race?
Martin's tired. Sore.
I'm tired. I'm so tired. But I feel so good. Like everything went perfectly today. Like it just went so well. And we were so close. We were so close. Like I feel like we were just like 20 minutes at a time from finishing that race. And it's like bittersweet because I mean at one point like you can't help but feel accomplished to like driving across the finish line, knowing you've done the whole race. Like that feels like an accomplishment. But it's not a finish because I didn't finish it. For myself, like I want to earn it.
You want a place and you want to get up
If
there.
I get up there, it means that I finished in time. I finished this race. Like I placed. Like it's gotta. That's what it means to me.
So it's 10:30 at night right now. Here at Freight Factory's pit area, we're working on Josh's car. It's 1504, same number as the Everyman Challenge, and yeah, I think he got like 25th in EMC. We'll see how he does tomorrow in the Race of Kings, I believe it's called. Sorry, it's been a long night, but the crew is hard at work. Heard they just got their tires like 2 hours ago. They've been busy mounting them. Seems like they got them all hooked up, and yeah, just kind of last minute prep for tomorrow. So now you're doing tires?
Yep, doing tires. Getting the shit ready. For Monday tomorrow.
What the fuck? So it's like 12:57. Just finished editing photos. I thought I could submit them tonight to Hammer King, but I think there was supposed to be somebody at the desk within a certain time, but I was there late. Anyways, Friday night, saw the Everyman Challenge, got to hang out with Derek and Megan, jumped into Josh and Martin's pits just for a second, just to check it out, what was going on. Josh's brother, Martin's brother, was wrenching with the boys in the pits, working late, and it was really cool to see, and I just had such a great time, and it was one of my favorite times at Hammers. A lot more buttoned up than it's ever been, and yeah, if you haven't been, you gotta go. I mean, you need to just see it. It's something. Anyways, hope you enjoyed what you've seen, and yeah, more to come as usual. Bye guys.